Very light gear. I think it's only like 5-6 pound. Let's see how we go. Going to talk about the snapper and the Wilson here. The size limit was a little bit less for quite a while. Now it's the same as everywhere else in WA. The bag limits is one extra than the west coast, so southern bioregion you can get 3, but this Wilson Inlet is a nursery, one of the biggest snapper nurseries on the south coast. These things straight in the water. As they breed, the natural cycle is for them to want to leave as the levels of the inlet rise. They can smell the salt, and the mature adults and adults want to leave to get out to the coast. When they get out there, they freshen up. These ones here are very muddy. They've been brought up in the tannin and the muddy water, and I'd say 1 or 2 out of 10 probably taste okay. A lot of locals like to soak them in milk, if just to take the taste. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Nice little bit of fun. Oh, come on. There we go. Beautiful fish. Yeah. Oh.
Nice one, bro.
Thank you. On the most part, they're just a good fish to catch and release. Great for teaching the kids. And as you can see, all along, all morning, the families here have been taking part and enjoying catching and releasing these fish. They're just so easy to catch. The kids don't have to cast far, a couple of meters out, there's plenty out there. Later, Jamie. You too, man.